Dear, today I am going to discuss types of matrices and addition of matrices. First, types of matrices. What are the different types of matrices in matrix? First, row matrix. What is row matrix? A matrix having only one row is known as row matrix. For example, 2, 3, 7. This is a matrix having only one row. Therefore, it is called row matrix. Matrix is generally denoted by a capital letter. Next, column matrix. A matrix having only one column is known as column matrix. For example, D is a matrix of -1, 3, 7. It has only one column. Therefore, it is called column matrix. Next, zero matrix. Zero matrix. A matrix, each of whose element is zero, is known as zero matrix. For example, this is matrix, each of whose element is zero, therefore it is known as zero matrix. It is also denoted by any capital letter, any alphabet number. Next, square matrix. Square matrix. A matrix having same number of rows and columns are known as square matrix. For example, A is a matrix of 2, 3, 7, 4. It has 2 rows and 2 columns. Therefore, it is square matrix. A matrix having same number of rows and columns is called square matrix. You can take another example. -1, 2, 3, 0, 7, 1, 2, 8, 5. This is 3 by 3 matrix. Why 3 by 3? Because it has 3 number of row and 3 number of column. Therefore, it is called square matrix. Both matrices have the same number of row and column. Therefore, it is called square matrix. Next, diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix. A square matrix in which each non-diagonal element is zero is called diagonal matrix. For example, A is a matrix of 6, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, -1. This is called diagonal element. This is called diagonal element, and these three 0 is called non-diagonal. Non-diagonal element. What is diagonal matrix? A square matrix. This is square matrix. Why? Because it has order 3 by 3. A square matrix is said to be diagonal matrix if non-diagonal element is 0. Then it is called diagonal matrix. These are the example of diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix also represent as 6 to -1. This matrix can be also represented in short like this. Next, unit matrix. Unit matrix. What is unit matrix? A square matrix in which non-diagonal element is 0 and diagonal element is 1. Then it is called unit matrix. For example, 1, 0, 0, 1. This is what? Diagonal element. Diagonal element. This is diagonal element, and this 0 is non-diagonal. And this is order 2 by 2. Therefore, it is square matrix. What is unit matrix? A square matrix in which non-diagonal element is 0 and diagonal element is 1. Then it is called unit matrix. This is order 2 by 2. Another, we can take 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Then this matrix have order 3 by 3. This is what? This is diagonal element, and this 3 0 is known as non-diagonal element. What is unit matrix? A matrix in which non-diagonal element is 0 and diagonal element is 1, then it is called unit matrix. Next, I am going to discuss comparable matrix. Comparable matrix. Comparable matrix. Two matrices is said to be comparable if they have same order. Two matrices are comparable if they have same order. For example, A is a matrix of 2, 3, 7, minus 1, and B is a matrix of 0, minus 1, 3, 8. A have 2 by 2, means A have 2 by 2 order, and B have also 2 by 2 order. Therefore, A and B are comparable matrix. Two matrices are comparable if they have same order, and these are the examples of comparable matrix. Next, equal matrix. Equal matrix. Two matrices are said to be equal if they have same order. First, same order. They have same order, and second, corresponding elements are also equal. Then the matrices are said to be equal. Let us take one example for this equal matrix. Find x, y, and z of the following: x 5, 3, y equal to 2, 5, z 3. This is 2. We have to find x, y, z. These two matrices have same order, and this is equal. Then we have to find x, y, and z. X equal to, on comparing, x equal to 2 and z equal to 3 and y equal to also 3. Y equal to 3 and z equal to 3. This is answer. Now I am going to discuss addition of matrices. We have to add two matrices. We know that the matrix is represented by A, I, J into M into N order. That A is a matrix of A, I row and J column of order M into N. And B is a matrix whose element B, I, J, M into N order. Then A plus B equal to Aij plus Bij M into N order. एक चीज ध्यान में रखना होगा कि दो मैट्रिक्स को ऐड तभी करेंगे जब दोनों मैट्रिक्स का ऑर्डर सेम होगा। जैसे एक एग्जांपल ले रहे हैं कि A is a matrix of 2, 3, 1, 7 and B is a matrix of 0, 2, 3, 7 and we have to find A plus B। तो सबसे पहले ये देखना होगा कि दोनों का ऑर्डर सेम है कि नहीं। तो A के पास 2 by 2 ऑर्डर है और B के पास भी 2 by 2 ऑर्डर है। तो हम लोग देख रहे हैं कि दोनों मैट्रिक्स का ऑर्डर सेम है, मतलब दोनों मैट्रिक्स कंपेरेबल है, तो अभी हम लोग एडिशन कर सकते हैं मैट्रिक्स का। तो A प्लस बी क्या होगा? A प्लस बी क्रॉसपॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट को हम लोग जोड़ते हैं। 2 plus 0, 3 plus 2, 1 plus 3 and 7 plus 7. Then A plus B equal to 2, 3, 2, 5, 3, 1, 4, 7, 7, 14. This is the result of addition after two matrices. Now, this is question 1, example 1. Next example, if A is a matrix of 1, 2, 0, 3 and V is a matrix of 1 0 3 5 7 1. Find A plus B. This is possible. The answer: A have 2 by 2 order and B have 2 by 3 order. A and B have different order. Therefore A plus B not exist. Sum of two matrices exists only when if the matrices have same order. Now I am going to discuss some questions. Let us take one example. Find x plus x and y of the following matrix. Find x and y of the following matrix. X plus y equal to 5 3 2 1 and x minus y equal to 1 1 2 1. We have to find x and y of these matrices. Now solution. We can add linear equation. जैसे हम लोग 10th क्लास में इसको सॉल्व करते हैं वैसे ही हम लोग यहाँ पे सॉल्व करेंगे. First on adding these two matrices, x plus y plus x minus y equal to 5 3 2 1 and लेफ्ट साइड को हम लोग लेफ्ट साइड ऐड कर दिया, राइट साइड को राइट साइड में ऐड करेंगे 1 1 2 1. Then y और y cancel. 2x equal to 5 और 1 6 3 और 1 4 2 और 2 4 and 1 और 1 2. Then x equal to 1 by 2. ये मल्टीपल डिवीजन में हो जाएगा 6 4 4 2. On dividing we get x equal to 3 2. इस 2 से हम ये सबको डिवाइड कर देंगे. 2 2 से 4 1. This is x. मैं एक बार ऐड कर दिया है और इसी तरह से ऑन सब्ट्रैक्टिंग. ऑन यहाँ लिख देंगे कि ऑन एडिंग और यहाँ पे लिखेंगे ऑन सब्ट्रैक्टिंग. x plus y minus x plus y equal to 5 2 3 1 minus 1 1 2 1. x cancel. 2y equal to 5 में से 1 जाएगा कितना होगा 4 3 4 sorry 2 में से 2 जाएगा 0 and 1 is 1 0. On dividing we get y equal to 2 1 0 0. This is it. Now next question.